Do you know that you can start making money from your Facebook account just by turning your Facebook profile into a Facebook page? Well, it sounds surprising, but it's true. And so many people are taking advantage of this opportunity to make money on Facebook. And you too, right there, can take advantage of this opportunity given by Facebook for you to make money online. In fact, as of the time of doing this video, 1 million video views can give you around $1,000 or even more. If you are residing somewhere in Nigeria or somewhere in Africa, you can do the calculation in your currency and see the amount of money that it will give you. A lot of money right there. So that's why in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to turn your Facebook profile into a Facebook page for you to monetize it and start making money right from your Facebook account. So make sure you watch this video to the end and don't miss any part so that you can get the information I'm about to share in this video that is so much important. So if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, I am Markins, your host, and you're welcome to Markins Student Vlog. Please don't forget to like and share this video if you find it helpful at the end, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that once we release another video like this one, you'll be notified. Keep watching, guys. So head over to your Facebook app and then log into your Facebook account. So once you're there, visit your Facebook profile right now. So on your Facebook profile, click the three dots on your profile. So once you click on it, this is what you're going to be seeing right on your profile. So click on turn on professional mode. So that's what you're going to be clicking on right there. So once you click on it, this is what you're going to be seeing. Click on turn on tab below the professional mode. So this is the page is going to be redirecting you to, where they're going to be briefing you about professional mode. So click on the next tab located below and then click on next again. So this is where you're going to be choosing your audience. So select the public audience and then click on next to continue. So right here is where you're going to be confirming the audience you've chosen. So all you need to do is just click on the confirm tab for you to continue. Right here on this tab, there is nothing much here. This is where you're going to be learning about monetization. So all you need to do here is just click on next for you not to waste your time. And then on this part, you also need to click on next for you not to waste your time because there is nothing much here. So right here, you need to click on skip to complete the full cycle of turning on the professional mode. So right here, we've turned on the professional mode successfully. You can see right there, congrats, you are ready to start using professional mode. So this is the dashboard of a professional mode. This is how it looks like. And this is also where you are going to be tracking the progress of your Facebook page to know how far you are growing. So now that you've known how to turn your Facebook account into a Facebook page, which is the professional mode, the next thing on the line we're going to be talking about is the monetization aspect, which is actually the reason why I'm doing this video. So now let's continue. So scrolling up a little bit, you can see the monetization tab right there. So right here, you need to click on the see all text link located beside the monetization. So this is where it will going to take you to. So looking closely at the screen right now, you can see the various ways of which you can monetize your Facebook page. Now there are 5 different ways of which you can monetize your Facebook page. The first one is through stars. So in this particular method of monetization, your fans need to support you or gift you stars before you can make money using this method of monetization. In this method of monetization, the stars your fans gift you has a monetary value. So in turn, you can withdraw those stars as money into your bank account once you meet the eligibility requirements. So the second mode of monetization is ads on reel. So in this monetization mode, you get to earn money from Facebook for all the well performing videos on your reels once that particular content is eligible for monetization. So the next one is bonuses. So right here, you also get to earn extra money from all your well performing content on Facebook. And this includes rating content and video content. So you get to earn extra money from all of them without having to stress yourself. So the next one on our list is the in-stream ads. So the in-stream ads gives you the opportunity to earn money from all the ads Facebook plays on your video content or rating content. So with the in-stream ads, you can actually earn more money from all your content on Facebook without stress. And then last but not the least right here is the subscription. So this subscription is simple. As the name entails, it's just a feature whereby people can actually subscribe to your page for you to earn money from their subscription. In this particular mode of monetizing your Facebook profile, you'll be given the opportunity for you to set your own prices, main category of prices that you want for your subscriptions, just as it is on YouTube. So if you're on YouTube, if you're a YouTuber, you will know what I'm talking about. So Facebook also give you that opportunity also to set your own price, subscription price for the members of your community. So that's it. So the next thing we're going to be talking about is the eligibility requirement for monetizing your Facebook profile. So one of the first eligibility requirements for monetizing your Facebook profile is you must be plus 18. So if you're not 18 years and above, you should avoid the Facebook monetization area. So the next is your location. You must be residing in a country where Facebook monetization features are available. So you need to check if your monetization feature is available in your country. So if it's not available, don't bother monetizing it because you can't get monetized. So the next on the list is follower count. You must have a certain number of followers before you can actually monetize. So the number of followers you need to have is 5,000 followers and above. So once you have this 5,000 followers threshold, you can actually monetize your Facebook profile without having to stress yourself. So the next thing is watch time. Now, just like YouTube, Facebook also have a watch minutes you need to reach before you can actually monetize your Facebook profile. So the watch time that is expected of you by Facebook before you can be eligible for monetization is 60,000 minutes watch time, and it should be achieved in the last 60 days of your upload on Facebook. And then you are expected to comply with Facebook monetization policies before you can be eligible. And then the last thing on the eligibility requirement is content. So your content must be in good standing before you can be able to monetize your Facebook profile. So if your content did not meet the Facebook content monetization policy, then you are likely not to get monetized or accepted into the Facebook partnership program. And for your content to be in good standing for the Facebook monetization program, one of the things you need to avoid is to stop posting people's content that are not your own. Even if you decide to use people's content, make sure you are using it legally. And then another thing you should also avoid is posting erotic content. So if you avoid these two things, then you are in good standing for monetization. So that's it. And alternatively, if you don't want to monetize your Facebook profile, you can go ahead and create a Facebook page and grow from there. So once you reach the eligibility requirement, you can also monetize your Facebook page just like your profile. And if you don't know how to create a Facebook page, you can follow this short tutorial I'm about to share with you now in this video for you to create a Facebook page immediately. So firstly, head on to your Facebook menu and then scroll down a little bit. Then you will see the page icon, click on it and then click on create for you to create a page. Once you click on create, it will give you an option to create a personal page or professional page. You can leave it in the professional page since you are building an online presence. So you click on get started for you to create a page, then input your page name right here immediately. So once you are done, you click on next to continue. So here is where you're going to be inputting your category. So I'm going to be inputting just three categories here. So you're going to be choosing category based on the kind of content you are creating. So don't choose the category that I choose here unless you want to have a problem when you are trying to grow your Facebook page. So once you are done doing that, then you click on create. So this is the final stage of creating your Facebook page. Here on the bio, this is where you're going to be describing what your page is all about. And if you have a website, you can actually specify using the website space below and then put your email if you have an email that people can actually use to contact you. You can also input your phone number. So once you're done with all this, you need to also fill in the details about your location right here and then every other information that is required of you. So once you are done, you click on next and then click on next again. So this part is where you're going to be inviting people to follow and like your page right there. So you can do it as fast as possible, and this is the first step for you to grow your page. So you invite as many people as you can for them to follow your page, and once you are done, you click on next. Now once you click on next, you will see invite, then invite people and then click on done. So congratulations, we've already created a Facebook page right here. So this is how simple it is for you to create a Facebook page, which can also serve as a profile for you And after successfully creating your Facebook page, the next thing you need to do is for you to start growing it by posting content on it, for you to get more likes, views, and followers on your Facebook page, for you to get to the point of monetization before you can be able to monetize and then start making money from your Facebook page. So thanks for watching, guys, and if you have any questions regarding what I just taught in this video, you can leave it in the comment section. I'm coming there to answer all your questions in one piece. So thanks for watching once again, and bye for now.